Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to paint and decorate boxes for gifts. Those who are interested can join Freehand Painting and other courses online. I have taken empty wafer biscuit packets. After removing the wrapper, you can use the inside box for painting. Today I will show you 3 designs on the boxes. On this box I am painting birds. For easy painting you can first draw the design and then you can paint. I have taken pink, light green and yellow colors. You can take acrylic, fabric or poster colors. If you know freehand painting, you can paint the designs in an easy way. After painting, you can use these boxes for small gift purposes. For any festivals, you can give gifts by putting inside this box. You can keep inside chocolates, jewelry, handkerchiefs, candles, etc. Now I am painting Diya as Diwali is coming. After painting 2 birds and Diya, I am doing the background. I have taken yellow ochre, light green and little burnt sienna for the background. Paint the whole box with this background colors. As yellow is not visible, I am painting pink wings. You can keep chocolates inside these boxes and give as gifts. Now the next box I am painting roses. I have taken metallic red, pink, maroon and golden yellow. Now sap green for leaves. The background with yellow ochre and light green. Paint all the sides of the box with the same color. Now the third design I am doing with the blade. I have taken metallic red, bronze, yellow and brown on the tile, and now with the blade I am doing the painting. I have painted a rose and now I am painting diyas. Now the background with light green. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and craft with new ideas. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.